Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are feeling bored or broken, try to do some of these things that we are about to mention. It should help and it's all for your personal benefit. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get more interesting videos. Number 1. Who doesn't like the sun? Get your daily dose of vitamin D and start going in the right direction straight away. It is proven that the sun can boost your mood positively. It is enough as much as 20 minutes to stay out during daylight to reach that level of positivity. If you are living in the area where the sunlight is not present that much, try to go out early in the morning to catch at least the first sun rays, because they are most powerful during morning hours. Number 2. Do some stretching or yoga. Whenever you are right now, just stand up and do a couple of stretching exercises. It will literally fix your mood immediately. That's because your muscles will be more relaxed and that feeling of numbness in your body will disappear. And you don't need to stretch for a long time like a professional athletes. Just a couple of minutes of stretching can help you to reduce stress and to remove negative thoughts. And exactly the same thing will happen with yoga. Just do a couple of positions and you will definitely feel more relaxed. Number 3. Hit the gym. For those who are going to the gym on a regular basis, there is nothing to explain. But for the people who find themselves too tired and demotivated, as well as the people who want to be alone at sometimes, we strongly suggest you to download any workout application and you can do it at home. There is plenty of them for free. And you know what? It is a good idea to stay alone sometimes. That's because you can reevaluate yourself, your own actions, and it can help a lot when it comes to your psychological strength and emotional stability. You can let us know in the comments what are you doing when you are alone and how often you reevaluate yourself. Number 4. Achieve a simple goal. Basically, all you need to do is just to set a simple goal, like reading a few chapters of the book, finish a couple lessons of your online course, draw something, invest as much as $20, go for the run, exercise, and simply do it. This will release some dose of dopamine in your brain and make you feel better and fulfilled. Number 5. Cook. This doesn't mean that you need to cook dishes that you really know how to prepare. Actually, it's totally opposite. Make something that you never made before, find a new recipe online and simply go out and buy groceries. It will be a good idea to try to cook a dish from the different cuisine. Of course, in case that you are not interested in cooking, at least you can order something new, because in the moments of bad mood and boredom, our brain is always happy to experience something new. Number 6. Rearrange your personal or office space. Monotony. The worst thing ever. If you are not in the mood, try to make a new arrangement in your apartment or office. You can be your own designer. Because nothing can go wrong here, and there is nothing better than a positive change. This is especially a good idea for the people who have a large amount of stuff in their home or office, because it takes time to finish with the rearrangements. So you won't notice that the time has flown, and of course when you finish your tasks or rearrangements you will feel useful and fulfilled. Number 7. Meditate. Most of the successful people are practicing meditation every single day. It became one of the most powerful tools to keep our mind in shape in the past few decades, so there is no reason for you not to embrace it in your life. Of course, that doesn't mean that you need to be sitting in the Buddha position with the candles lighting around you and practicing deep breathing for hours. At least 10 minutes per day will be enough to boost your body and mind and to put them in the right direction. As we mentioned before, try to be alone at this time because it's time for you. There's also nothing wrong to meditate with your favorite music. All you need to do is just to find a perfect spot, turn the music on, and enjoy the flow. Number 8. Scream. Literally. There is nothing wrong in expressing our own emotion as long as they don't hurt others. The best thing to do sometimes is to go alone somewhere and release that negativity. If you can't afford that, just go to your room, put some music on, grab the pillow, put it over your face, and then do it. If you keep it in yourself for the long time, it can become even worse. The moment you release that negative energy, you will definitely feel better. Number 9. Get some chocolate. It is proven that the chocolate can produce serotonin. While too much sugar can cause a problem, there is nothing wrong in taking 25 to 50 grams of chocolate when you feel down. Alright guys, that's it for today. We hope that you enjoyed and see you in the next video.